Welcome to another deep dive. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on something that's become incredibly powerful but often feels, well, invisible.
Right. We're talking about artificial intelligence.
Exactly. Not as some sci-fi concept, but how it's already fundamentally shaping our daily lives.
Yeah, that's the plan for this deep dive.
Yeah.
Based on the material we've looked at, the mission is to really um, dig into the concrete ways AI is here. Now, often right under your nose.
Okay.
We want to pull out those key insights showing you just how integrated it is, influencing how you use tech, how you work, even your home life and health.
Right. So let's unpack that. Where is AI showing up? I mean, the first place my mind goes, and the sources definitely point here, is this thing.
The smartphone.
Yeah, the phone in your pocket. It's basically a little AI hub, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. 100%. Think about just scrolling through Netflix or Spotify or even TikTok these days.
Recommendation.
Exactly. Those suggestions. That's some pretty sophisticated AI working behind the scenes. It's analyzing your history, what you watch, what you skip, and comparing it to millions of others to guess what you'll want next. It's constantly learning you.
And it's the tiny things, too. I was struck by how the source mentions stuff we barely even register now.
Like what?
Like autocorrect, fixing typos.
Yeah.
Or predictive text trying to finish your sentences.
Right. Totally take it for granted.
And those smart translation apps
Yeah.
for travel or whatever, they're using AI to get the context, not just word for word.
Precisely. And then, of course, you've got the big ones, the virtual assistants.
Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant.
Yeah. When you ask a question, give a command.
Yeah.
You're talking directly to AI. It's processing your natural language to figure out what you mean and how to respond.
Okay, so it's all over our personal tech.
Yeah.
But it's not just play, right? It's moving into the professional world, too.
It really is.
Yeah.
The sources show AI kind of creeping into our workflows in pretty significant ways. Well, think about smart email features, suggesting replies, filtering out spam effectively.
That's AI.
Yep. And real-time translation tools, breaking down language barriers in meetings or documents. Plus, these really powerful generative tools like ChatGPT.
Ah, yeah, those are everywhere now.
People are using them for drafting emails, summarizing long reports, doing research, basically automating chunks of work.
I actually used a customer support chatbot the other day, and honestly, it wasn't bad. The source mentioned that too, right? That first point of contact often being AI now.
It's a classic example. Handling those initial, often simple queries, streamlining things.
Okay, so phones, work. What about at home?
Oh, yeah. Look around your house.
Yeah.
Smart thermostats, learning your schedule, optimizing heating and cooling to save energy.
That's AI learning patterns.
Exactly. Or those robot vacuums. They're not just bumping around randomly anymore. They use learning algorithms to map your rooms, figure out the best cleaning path.
Huh. Didn't think of that as AI.
And even simpler things. Getting recipe ideas based on ingredients you tell an app you have. Or AI helping build your grocery list. It's becoming more common.
Wild. Okay, so convenience, automation. But it goes even deeper, into well-being.
It does. The sources really highlight AI's growing role in health and fitness. Your smartwatch or fitness tracker.
Yeah.
It's collecting tons of data, steps, heart rate, sleep. AI is often used to analyze all that, spot trends, give you personalized insights, maybe even flag potential issues.
And those symptom checker apps, where you type in how you feel.
Increasingly using AI to process those descriptions and suggest possibilities. And the sources even touch on mental health support, chat-based tools using AI for initial guidance or offering resources.
So using that pattern recognition for health data.
Precisely.
Okay, but with all this integration, this power,
Yeah.
there have to be downsides. The sources mention risks.
Definitely. It's crucial to be aware. While AI is powerful, it brings real risks. The material talks about deepfakes and misinformation, AI generating convincing fake video or audio.
Scary stuff.
Yeah. And algorithmic bias is a big one. AI systems can accidentally learn and even amplify biases from the data they're trained on. Meaning potential unfairness in things like job applications, loan decisions, if the AI reflects historical biases.
Got it. And echo chambers, too, where the AI just feeds you more of what you already like or believe.
Right. You can limit your exposure to different views.
Yeah.
All this really points to a critical need for, digital literacy.
Yeah.
Understanding how these systems work as they get smarter.
And using them ethically.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It brings up big questions about our interaction with AI and the data it uses.
So pulling this all together, what's the big takeaway from this deep dive into the source material? What's the bottom line about AI in your life right now?
Well, the undeniable conclusion is that AI isn't some far-off future thing. It's deeply woven into your present, into the tools, the services you use every single day, often, like we said, without you even consciously noticing.
So it's not really if you use AI anymore. The real question is how consciously, how responsibly you choose to engage with it, knowing it's operating all around you.
Exactly. So maybe here's a final provocative thought for you listening.
Hmm.
Given how deeply embedded AI already is, can you pinpoint just one moment from your day, maybe even today, where you interacted with AI without realizing it at the time? And now that you are thinking about it, what does that make you consider about your relationship with technology moving forward?